I am so excited for our trip coming up. Hey guys, and welcome to another Pack With Me video. I am really excited for this one, and it is going to be very different from my last one because this one, we are packing for a road trip. In a few days, we are heading out west to the Las Vegas area and car camping our way through Valley of Fire State Park, Death Valley National Park, Joshua Tree National Park, and more places out west. I'm really excited. I have not road tripped around the Vegas area yet, or the Southern California area. We've been to Vegas, but only to the city strip area of Vegas. So this will be a very different trip. There's so much good nature out there, and we have been craving another road trip. So we are excited. However, we have a lot to do, a lot to pack, because we are car camping. We are flying to Las Vegas, renting a full-size SUV, and then car camping. So we have to check a lot of camping gear. Luckily, we are flying on Southwest, so we both get 2 free check bags, which will definitely come in handy because we have a lot of things to pack. Of course, we have to pack our clothes, our hiking gear, and our camera gear, but we also have to pack all of our car camping equipment and camping gear. We have to pack our sleeping bags, our camping cooking equipment, and camping food. We also got, and I'm so excited about this, we also got a car camping air mattress, which I am really excited to take on the road. I actually slept on it a couple weeks ago at our house because Kenny was sick and I did not want to get sick, so I slept on the air mattress. We don't have another air mattress, and I tested it out and it was really comfortable. It is from the brand Luno, and I'm really looking forward to trying it out. All of their products that we have so far, we got a few different things, are super high quality. We got the air mattress, we have a fitted sheet for the mattress, we also have a memory foam mattress topper for the air mattress, so when you're sleeping on it, it does not even feel like you're sleeping on an air mattress. It is so cool. We also got window screens for added privacy. I just ordered a curtain for car camping for extra privacy as well. I got an email that's out for a delivery today, so hopefully that comes while we're packing. Yeah, I'm really excited to test out all of this Luno gear. So let's get started because we have a lot to do, but first we have to go to Sierra because we have to pick up all of our car camping food. So let's go. So here is everything that we got from Sierra. We got lots of food, obviously, and some gear. We got a couple camping chairs that are super lightweight for backpacking. We got a couple quick dry towels so we don't have to pack massive towels. We got 2 inflatable camping pillows, which we don't have. They were really cheap at Sierra too. They were only $10 each. Obviously lightweight, perfect for backpacking as well. Hand warmers were on clearance for literally $2.50, so we picked some of those up because the desert gets really cold at night, so those will be nice to have at night. And then for food, we got lots of food. By the way, Sierra is a perfect place to get food if you have a lot of dietary restrictions. For me, for example, like I need soy-free, I try to opt gluten-free. They have like a ton of those options, dairy-free too. So I got some snacks for the road trip, as well as some trail mix, candy, and desserts too. And then lots of backpacking dehydrated meals. We're gonna be gone for 7 days, so we each got 6 meals each, and then we'll probably get a meal out or something some other night. I've never tried any of these, but I've heard really good things about this Mountain House brand and Backpackers Pantry, so we're gonna try a few different meals from those brands. And then Kenny also picked out these smoked Gouda and dill pickle pretzels. And then if we have room, I would love to bring this vegan chai tea latte mix that I found. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I have the vegan hot cocoa from this brand and it's delicious, so I bet this is really good too. So if I have room, this would be really fun to bring. Part of our goal for this trip is to start slowly getting into backpacking, which is why we're trying all the backpacking meals, why we're gathering our backpacking gear, because we want to start backpacking, but we have never backpacked before. Neither of us were raised in super outdoorsy families. So like I have only been camping a few times, and it was not with my family. It was with Kenny all 3 times that I went camping. My first camping trip was actually the trip that we got engaged on, fun fact. But neither of our families were big like national park, hiking, outdoorsy families. So we're very new to this. So that is why we're trying to kind of buy gear, spread out buying gear, because backpacking gear can be so expensive that we're starting to collect it slowly but surely, and we'll probably rent like backpacks and tents and stuff for our first real backpacking trip before we buy it. But we know that we love car camping and that we'll continue to do that in the future. So that's why we're starting to get like the car camping gear and the, you know, travel pillows and some of the travel camping chairs, like all of that stuff. And Sierra is a great place to get it if you have a Sierra by you. It's basically like an outdoorsy TJ Maxx or like a fitness TJ Maxx. Again, like I said, they have great dietary restriction snacks there for a discount because dietary restriction foods can be so expensive, so I love getting my snacks there. Also, obviously all of their camping outdoor equipment is so cheap. Like I had those inflatable pillows for camping in my Amazon cart for $20 each, and we got them for $9.99 each at Sierra. So I'm really glad that I found those. I do have to order a couple more things, like I need to get camping spoons, sporks that I have in my cart that I have to order. So I'll have to pack those later, but for the most part, we have all of our gear now that we have to pack. If you watched my last pack with me video, you will know what I'm about to do. And I do this before every trip, before I start packing for every trip, and that is write down all of our days for our trip and the main thing that we're doing that day. So I can super easily look at exactly how many outfits I need to pack, what kind of outfits I need to pack for each day, and like how many PJ sets I need, how many travel day outfits I need, that kind of thing, so that I don't pack anything extra and so that I don't forget anything. I find it super helpful to write it down and be able to visualize it and look at it that way. Our first day is a travel day, then we're doing Red Rock Canyon, then we're doing 2 days in Death Valley National Park, 2-ish days in Joshua Tree National Park, and 2-ish days in Valley of Fire State Park. And then we have our travel day back home. I know for sure that I'll need at least 7 hiking outfits, 1 travel day outfit, at least 3 sets of PJs, and then 9 days worth of like socks and underwear and bras and stuff like that. That way I can super easily see exactly what I need and then go to my closet and start packing. I have all of my outfits planned out for every single day. Again, planning out all my outfits helps me not overpack because then I'm not bringing anything extra. I know exactly what I'm wearing every single day, plus an extra, you know, pair of pants or pair of socks or whatever, just in case. Otherwise, everything is planned out exactly how I'm gonna wear it. Now that it's all of my outfits are planned out, I am going to pack them in my new Jollying suitcase because this suitcase collapses down, which I think will be key while car camping because obviously we only have our car worth of space. So that will be really helpful, I think. Arrow has made his way to my windowsill where my camera is, so you may see him enter the shot. Pro tip, if you're going somewhere that is going to be really cold in the mornings and at night and probably warm or even hot during midday, what I like to do is I'll bring a heavier layer for the mornings and evenings. So for example, a sweater, and then under the sweater, I will wear a long sports bra or a, you know, like cropped athletic shirt, and then that serves as my bra and also a layer that I can wear by itself without the sweater if I need to. And also I always roll my clothes instead of folding them so that I can squeeze more in my suitcase. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me. Now that my clothes are packed, I was able to pretty much fit everything in my carry-on. I still have to pack a pair of shoes and my toiletries, but I think I'm gonna wait a few days to pack my toiletries because we still aren't leaving for a few days, so I need them. But other than that, I was able to pack pretty much all my clothes in my carry-on. Now, the real feat is gonna be packing all this camping gear into this suitcase. This is a brand new suitcase, by the way, which is the only reason why I'm allowing it on the bed. I haven't used it yet, so that's why it's on the bed. Otherwise, I am luggage off the bed. Oh my gosh, this is barely gonna fit. This is our mattress, by the way. Yikes. I think I need to get another suitcase. Okay, so I have most of the camping gear in this side of the suitcase. We will have to bring another suitcase in order to fit the mattress topper, but I'm really excited about all this food. So all of our camp food that was right here on the bed is on this mini side of the suitcase, and I should be able to secure it all in there with this compression flap, so it'll fit perfectly, I think. Et voila. This may be over 50 pounds. We'll have to check. Overall, I feel like that was a big success. It always feels good to have everything packed a few days in advance. I'm usually a last minute packer, so this feels good. And I'm so excited for this trip. I was hoping that we would only have to check 2 bags, but I'm now thinking that we'll probably have to check 3, which is fine. The check bags are free, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm more just worried about having to lug everything, our whole trip, in our car. But if Kenny can pack all of his clothes into his carry-on, we might still be okay with just 2 check bags. If you have any questions about Valley of Fire State Park, Death Valley National Park, Joshua Tree National Park, or the surrounding area, definitely drop them in the comments, because by the time this airs, I will be on the trip and I would love to answer your questions in the upcoming road trip vlog. Other than that, I will see you guys next week. Bye.
I don't post.